AthletaDesk makes invoicing your clients super easy. Let's walk through creating a single invoice. First, click on Accounts and Invoices from the menu on the left. Click on the client account to open their details. Then head to the Invoices tab and click New Invoice. Start by choosing your invoice date. This will appear at the top of the invoice. Next, select which transactions you'd like to include. Including the previous balance makes sure that any unpaid balance or credit from a past invoice carries over onto this one. You can invoice however works best for your business. Weekly, monthly, every 6 weeks, whatever you need. Setting a due date lets your client know when payment is expected, and you can also set up optional late payment reminders in your business settings. Click Next. On this page, choose how much detail you'd like to include on the invoice by selecting a format. Condensed combines identical invoice items into a single line. Normal shows each session on its own line. And Expanded shows everything, including sessions with no charge. You can also add a footer note that appears on all invoices. Include private notes, and choose whether you'd like to email the invoice right away or send it later. Once everything looks good, click Create, and that's it. Your invoice is ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@athletadesc.com.